do that. I think we broke the microwave. Oh. It's all over the place. Oh. We gotta clean it up. Get in here. I was laughing too hard. The microwave exploded. Dude, I just hope the microwave works.
Dude, there's egg all over the camera.
Are you serious? Don't say that. We might get in trouble.
No, we won't. He won't care.
We'll edit it. We gotta see this on film, see what the egg looked like when it blew. All we saw was the door come off and smoke.
Greg, you should have seen that look on your face.
Yeah, there you go. No, get that out of the microwave. Get the broom out of the microwave. Here, I'll wait. We need some scouring powder. We shouldn't have told my little brother.
What?
We just should leave $200 and leave now. That sounds good to me. Mom, it was an accident. We are busted.
Yeah, so now you learn a lesson. Never stick an egg in a microwave.